What is up, Royals? Welcome to my new channel. If you are coming over from my old channel, thank you so much for joining this new community. I am so excited to build this channel. It's already starting to get hot, so I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as possible. So today I'm going to amend my garden bed that I already have filled with soil that I used for the last season. And amending the soil is just putting the nutrients back into the soil and everything so that you can grow healthy, delicious plants. Make sure that your bed is cleaned out of all the weeds and whatever might be growing in it, and just make sure it's nice and clear. So I'm just going to share with you what I'm using today because I have it on hand. Basically, I'm just going to do like, I don't know if they call it like a lasagna, but I'm just going to layer these ingredients on top of each other and mix them together. And it's pretty easy, so let's go ahead and get into it. But if you want a simpler way to amend your raised beds, you could just get a potting mix, like a Kellogg's potting mix or Miracle Grow potting mix, and you could use that instead of doing the whole peat moss and perlite thing, and just use that to fill the raised bed. And then you could add a compost. You would add your granule fertilizers. That would be just 3 products that you would need, but today I'm using several because I have them on hand.